Well, Sunday morning, 62nd Sunday. We've had a bit of a clean up. We can see the floor again, all of the floor. Southbend still needs a bit of a clean up, that'll get it. Bridgeport still needs a bit of a clean up, that's not too bad. Hock Fuck Wong there, well that's not too bad, it's pretty clean anyway. We can see the lathe again. We can see the chip pan. The bin's empty. The surface plate's back to its normal duties as a general storage area for shite. And I'll tell you what, I get a few questions on people with lathes such as the Southbend, on what size materials they should build their stand from. Well, this one here, whoops, it's steel frame sitting on a timber base, which is 1 3/4 or in our language 45mm timbers on 100mm 4-inch angle iron frame on 3-inch nominal bore pipe. So, and the other question they ask, what height should it be? Well, depends how tall you are. Your crossfeed hand wheel really wants to be at, whoops, belt buckle height. And that's pretty well the ideal height you should have these machines at. So, we've got we even got our little workbench cleaned up. We can see the top of it now. We've got drawings there for the next job. I better crack on with that, otherwise the customer will get pissed off that I haven't started it. And we have our tailstock chuck here that's ready to come out now, be flipped around so we can do the other side. So, what should we do first?